for missions to distant planets or moons, where communication delays would make real-time control from Earth impractical. Beyond navigation, AI is revolutionizing how we understand the universe. The sheer volume of data from telescopes and spacecraft is overwhelming for human analysts. AI algorithms excel at sifting through this data, identifying patterns and anomalies that would be easily missed by human eyes. This has led to the discovery of new exoplanets, a deeper understanding of star formation, and even insights into the nature of dark matter. AI's role isn't limited to scientific discovery.
As we entrust more and more responsibility to AI systems in space exploration, it becomes increasingly important to consider the ethical implications of their use. Just as with any powerful technology, AI has the potential for both great benefit and potential harm. One key concern is the potential for bias in AI systems. AI algorithms are trained on vast amounts of data, and if this data is biased, the resulting AI system will also be biased. This could lead to AI systems making decisions that are unfair or even dangerous. For example, a biased AI system controlling a robotic explorer might prioritize exploring certain areas over others based on faulty assumptions. Another concern is the potential for AI systems to become so complex that they are no longer understandable by humans. This could lead to situations where we no longer fully understand why an AI system made a particular decision. To address these ethical concerns, NASA has developed a set of responsible AI (RAI) principles.
As we look to the future of space exploration, it's clear that AI will play an increasingly important role. AI is not simply a tool to enhance our current capabilities. It's a fundamental shift in how we approach exploring the cosmos. Future missions to distant planets and moons will likely involve teams of robots working together, coordinated by AI systems. These robots will be able to explore vast areas, collect detailed scientific data, and even construct habitats for future human explorers. AI will also be essential for analyzing the massive amounts of data that these missions will generate, helping us to unlock the secrets of the universe. However, the future of space exploration is not just about robots and AI. It's about a partnership between humans and AI, working together to achieve what neither could do alone. AI can handle the complex calculations, data analysis, and repetitive tasks, freeing up human astronauts to focus on the tasks that require creativity, intuition, and ingenuity.